Okay, I just want to give you an idea of the two different options that you have, as well as how things need to be set up in order for each option to work. So, just as a disclaimer, my systems are running a little bit slowly today, so I do apologize if this video, if I have to reload or if everything kind of runs kind of slowly. So, the first option that you have that you'll notice here is the one that you were originally kind of working on. When you click on the select options here, it is going to take you into the portion of the page where you'll be able to select your quantity. So you have to select the drop down here as well as which quantity that you want. So if you select the 500, and of course the prices and everything can change, but just want to kind of give you an idea. Click add to cart, then go to view cart, and you will notice that the pricing there is automatically adjusted there. So if you also were to click two of them and click update cart, you'll notice that it'll automatically change as well. So you see now that it goes to 14, there's quantity of 2. I'm pretty sure that's not exactly the route you wanted to go, because if you wanted to go, if somebody were to order 1,000 of them, it should go to the pricing of $11. But unfortunately, that's just how the calculation is done through that, and that is the limitation with that. The other option here is I just set up a couple of other items here and just separated them by item. So if you wanted a 500, if you wanted 1,000, if you wanted the 1,500 or 2,000, the shipping is there accordingly. So if you click add to cart, you go to view cart, 15 and 7. Of course, if you add that up, this will change to a different shipping price, as well as if you go back. And let's say we click on the 1,000, go to add cart, and you go to view to cart. You get the 11 instead of the 14. So those particular items are individual, and the shipping is set for them accordingly, as opposed to using just the drop-down selectable that will then add together the shipping because it thinks of the items as separate items. So of course, being able to create the first optionary, the only thing you're really going to have to do is you go to, we'll go inside of here just to give you a quick look. You want to set up everything kind of the way you did, but in reality, the only thing you really need to do is make sure that this is set as a variable product. There's no shipping class here. Attributes, you have to set the type of attribute, quantity here, and of course you need to separate them by the bar key, which is on your keyboard just above the enter key. And then in variations, just make sure you set each one. And then inside of here, the price is already set for it, but it's set by the shipping class. The shipping class is what designates the pricing for it, and the shipping class where that is actually affected is in the settings within WooCommerce. And you go to shipping. Flat rate. And inside of here is where you will designate the shipping class type. So you make sure you set this up as well in order for that to display properly. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.